Just take your time. It's not. There's the backyard crawler course. Get your left tire on that big rock. Should be all right. Oh! Good save. He's working with the stock truck, everybody. You just slide. Look at that. He just slides on the damn things. There you go. Oh. There you go. Sketchy bridge. Oh. Good save. Turn around here. Here's some of the course there. Lots of rocks. We like rocks. And it's cylinder. Friggin'. And we got a hole in there. There's some challenges on this course, tell you that much, people. Those tires are usually a pain, but I kind of fixed them. Damn mosquito. You take all kinds of lines through there. Just have fun on this course.